Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue with the next question, that is a GATE CSE 2004 question 14 guys. So it is a 2005 question guys, it is not 2004, okay? Yes. So let us start. So in a depth first search traversal of a graph G with n vertices and k edges are marked as a tree edges. Okay, so let us draw a diagram, so don't worry, okay? So the number of connected components in G is, okay, so the question is really interesting guys. So let us draw two different cases. So in first case, let us have only one component, one connected component. So only one proper tree or graph, okay? So let us draw a tree guys, because this whole discussion is with respect to trees, right? Because they are talking in terms of tree edges. So let me draw a small tree. Okay. Yes. So how many nodes it is having guys? So it is having nodes, okay, is equals to 4. That nodes are called as vertices in graphs guys. So n is equals to 4 in simple words, okay. So how many edges we are having? The tree edges. Tree edges are nothing but the minimum number of edges, okay. So 1, 2 and 3. So the minimum number of edges k is equals to 3, okay. Yes. So now we got this, right? So now which formula says that the answer is a 1 guys, one component? So this is only a single component guys, so there are no parts in it, right? Yes. So hence the answer should be 1. So what about this k? 3. So 3, are there 3 components? No. Are there 3 plus 1? 4 components? No. Are there n minus k plus 1? So 4 minus 3 minus 1, which is 0. Are there 0 components? No. 4 minus 3 means 1. So there is one component? Yes. So D will be the answer. So few of you might be saying that, okay, so we got the idea, but we want more confirmation. So let us take 2 components guys. Okay. So let us draw 2 different graphs. Okay. And assume that this is a line or an edge which is removed. Okay. Yes. So because of that removal, these became 2 distinct or 2 components. Okay. So this is a first component and this is second component. They are not connected. Okay. Yes. Okay, so let us start. So how many edges are there in total guys? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total number of edges is equals to 4. That is nothing but k. Total number of nodes equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so now if you apply the formula, that is nothing but n minus k. That is nothing but 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So how many components are there? 2. What we got? 2. Hence this option is absolutely correct. So now you got the logic right. So with one case I assured that that is the answer, and with one more case I have confirmed that. So in this way only in examination also you should confirm the answers guys, because with silly mistakes we give some answers and they end up being wrong answers. So always confirm your answers before confirming the answer. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.